Hey there. How's everyone doing? So in this video we're gonna make some new crazy stuff, that is graphic art. So let's begin, guys. So first of all, I'm gonna take the book on which I'm gonna draw and then take a pencil and let's sketch before we do the graphic sketch on my laptop. So first of all, we'll make some rough sketch with the pencil. Now here comes my favorite part, that is outline with this super fine marker. So yeah, I'm gonna give some thick lines and then we are done. So it's gonna take a little bit of time. So let's complete this one. So guys, let us begin to design the graphics of this art. So here comes my UN Inspiron tablet. So at first we're gonna make some sketch on the Photoshop. So let's begin. So at first I love this pressure sensitivity of this tablet, it's so awesome. So you can try this, it's very affordable.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
So now let's get into coloring. So I'm taking a bit of break over here playing Among Us. Dude, now it's your turn. Alright. It's almost 10 and I'm going to sleep. See you tomorrow, guys. So here comes the next day and we have some important finishing left. So let's complete that. Now here comes another favorite part, that is giving some border lines to this graphic design. This is one of my favorite. It gives complete satisfaction. So let's end this up. So yeah, the graphic art is done. Look at it, awesome thing, guys. Hope you liked it.